morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are on our, I think, fourth video review of the T100 Plus smartwatch. Okay, so this time, okay, as you requested, checking on the different watch faces for the T100 Plus smartwatch. The previous video, we already installed the support app, the HRYFine app. So this time, we're going to tackle the different watch faces for our T100 Plus smartwatch. Okay, remember our watch 7, okay, the AI was 7, okay, and so far in that support app, we have a very disappointing watch faces settings. Most of the watch faces there are for sale. So let's check on our T100 Plus smartwatch if we do have the same situation when it comes to watch faces. Okay, so let's connect our watch face or our smartwatch to the support app. Okay, so let's check out the watch faces. Okay, while we are turning on the app, let's check here the preloaded watch faces. So we have a robotic here, very high-tech watch face. Okay, we have here, I think, is this animated? No, but it's beautiful. We have here the analog watch face. We have the classic Mickey Mouse watch face with the hands moving, pointing to the correct time or to the current time. Okay, another analog watch face, and we have here a dolphin or animal watch face. So we have a lot of watch faces here. Again, let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11. At least we have 11 watch faces here. Okay, does it change? No. Okay, so let's check on the support app. Okay, do we have other watch faces here? Okay, we have here the dial management. Seems like there are at least 2 sections for the watch faces here. Dial management. Okay, so that is the dial management is a section for the preloaded watch faces. Okay, so we also have the support for changing the color and okay the data. So we have here the heart rate, you can change it. You can also set your own background image. We also have here the online wallpaper. So wow, this is amazing. I think I like the options here. So let's check. How about this one? Okay, so that's it. You can change the color. There's a lot of customization for this one. Okay, I'm impressed with the HRYFine app. Apply. Okay, let's see if it's going to be pushed to our smartwatch, and seems like it's working for the T100 Plus smartwatch. Wow, nice. Okay, so we're not going anymore to select our own image here. Okay, I'm pretty sure you're familiar with it. Okay, so as you can see, there's an option for the online wallpaper as well as for your own image here. So this one, let's see. How about this one? So there's no option for that. Okay, simple watch face. I like the custom watch face here, very good. Okay, and the changes here is instantaneous. Okay, after you select here, it will change here automatically. So let's go to the dial mall. So we have here the current dial. Okay. More. Let's see. So we have a lot of downloadable watch faces here. Seems like it's all free. We have a Christmas themed watch faces. We had the astronaut themed watch faces. But it is, as you can see here, it's limited. Do we have additional watch faces? Let's go back. Edit here. There's no option. Okay, so we have different watch faces here. Okay, so far it is limited. Anyway, still, the options here are very good. I hope they will add more, okay, in the next update. So price is free. So let's check. Okay. So it is downloading. We'll see if we have a successful download of this good or beautiful watch face. It looks like a butterfly or a leaf. So let's see. That's 70%. Again, we do have a custom watch face. If you really want to see it, let's check later on if we still do have the time. Okay. Although it still has the same similar process to other smartwatches that we already tackled here. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded the watch face. How about this one? Let's see. The astronaut. So it is also free. Okay, get the dial. Okay. So again, while downloading, make sure that your smartwatch do have a good battery life, and at the same time you cannot browse any application while downloading the app, okay, or while downloading the watch face, so you can avoid any issues regarding the installation of the watch face. Again, so this seems like it takes time because of the nature of the watch face here. So there's a very good graphic. Of course it will take time because it's much heavier compared to other simple watch face. So 85%, 86, we're getting closer. 90. Okay, so it's almost, we're getting close to the end of the year, so it's Christmas time. That's why maybe most of the watch faces here are Christmas themed watch faces. Okay, we have successfully downloaded the watch face, as you can see here. Okay, maybe if it's summer, they change it to summer. If it's love month, February, maybe we can see some different, okay, love themed watch face here. So it's Christmas time. We're getting closer to December, so that's why most of the watch face here is a Christmas themed watch faces. Okay, so let's check, and so you can download at least several watch faces here. Okay, 8. You have an 8 watch option, or 8 chance, or allowed 8 allowed watch faces that you can download in the support app. Okay, even though you don't have an internet connection, I think you can download the watch face in your device. Okay, again, let's check. How about this one? Okay, do we have an option for this one? Okay, so added. Let's see. Okay, let's go with a custom watch face here. Okay, select image. Okay, let me check the image here. I'm not going to show it to you because there are some personal images here. Okay. 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 So I choose this one. Okay. Check. So we have here the watch face. So let's see. Change the color of the text so you can see it clearly. And check. So we have here the image and select apply. Okay, let's see if we can install the watch face here. So it may take some time. Again, this is the custom option for the watch face. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries. Okay, among the Series 7 smartwatches, the new 7 series smartwatch in the market, this is one of the most affordable Series 7 smartwatch. Okay, so it is very similar to the it is very similar to the Z36 smartwatch. Okay, so let's see if we will have a successful installation of the app of the watch face. So it may take some time. As you can see here, the image is heavy, so it will take some time to download it to the smartwatch. Okay, we're on the 45-46 range. So while we are waiting, and let's take a look at the smartwatch. Okay, beautiful make, although it is very affordable. Okay, we have the crown button here. We also have the pill button shape here, the mic, and I guess this is the speaker. Okay, we're getting closer, 66%. Okay, it is being downloaded. Again, make it sure that you have a very good or a full battery, okay, for your smartwatch. Okay, so there will be no issues when you are downloading, especially if you have a very slow internet connection. So 84%, 87, 89. Okay, 94, 95. Okay, now that's it. So here's our custom watch face for our T100 Plus smartwatch. Okay, so easy to install. So far, no issues with the installation of the watch face. We have several preloaded watch faces here. We also have the dial mall. So the theme right now is all about Christmas. Okay, we also have our favorite astronaut watch faces. Okay, options are digital, analog. Okay, we also have animated and just static watch face for your T100 Plus smartwatch. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.